blends a nice nose. Okay, I have some other glitter. So this one, and the no wipe top coat. This is for Miss Nuna. Is that for you, Miss Nuna? Is that did you request for this one? I had to pull out my nose on the other station. If it not for you. I need to get the notes. Great. Piece of papers. I'll show you the wipe up on the side. Ta-da! Put the frames that I bent earlier. Okay. Is that better like that? I'm using this versus the other, so it looks like I think it looks compatible together than it's just triangle. Do you think so? Like a pearl shape and a round shape, like oval shape. It looks like this one look cute, but this looks like too edgy. And the shoe, super cute shoes. Oh my God, Boss Beauty, it's 6 o'clock in UK. Thank you so much, sweetie, for tuning in. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. That's it, everyone. Unless you want something else, you want some crystal on it. Looks stunning. Like, we want to do simple, but we're never gonna settle for less. Always want more. Okay, this. All right, I'm so sorry. Off. You check, make sure the camera. Here, go. Remove it. Okay, I might do a couple of just little kiss crystal on the side. Ah, I can't see it. Just too big. Wrong side. Side 8.
Oh, that's 3 hours.
This Miss live rush, you said in like few minutes it's gonna be done. It's okay. I am coming back.
Say hello. Goodbye.
Hello. I am still here. Thanks so much for tuning back in. Okay, I think I like that a lot. Because it looks so, it's like, it kind of like when I do this, create this custom look, if I bling this two really blings out, I usually give a little bit break between these two, so then it still have the main course and it's like the entree and your appetizers and your dessert. However you want to call that. So you feel like you can bling them all out, but if you want to doing a custom nails, they're gonna be like this. Okay. Maybe this one is like appetizers. This is like entree. This is a dessert. This midnight snack. It's okay. So are you happy with this? So before I cure. I think I like it a lot because I don't want to take it away from my beauty. Because I can absolutely doing neons on it, but we'll have a lot of neons beautiful here. We have a lot of blings here, so it's good to get this nice separate. So I'm gonna move this one just a little bit, and I am going to cure that for 60 seconds. You like it? I'm gonna cure it now. Anything you want to add on? If not, I'm going to cure this one. Cure 60 seconds. Thank you so much, ladies. One more thing at the top, I think. What do I do? Did I forget something? Pixie, just the tips. Pixie tomorrow. Nancy, should I do pink glitter for my nails or neon purple? What colors, Miss Jessica? Jessica, what colors are you doing on your nails? I think neon is really pretty. Neons is great for spring. You can do like one finger's neon, Jessica, and then the other, like if you're doing index fingers neon, then you do rings finger glitter. But I think maybe rings fingers is neon crystals and index finger is purple glitter, pink glitter, and then neon purple. You do both of them. So you would do neons, purple, and pink glitter. Neon purple, pink glitter. I think you can pull that off really well because that two color will be great for springtime. So I'm gonna do precision glue. Let me get off.
What's it doing?
Couldn't get in and out. Maybe. Wrong one. I said, why? I did it already. Then put something in here. Is that this for you, Miss Nuna? Pretty Nuna? Is that what you request? Or Miss Foxy Loxy? Any one of you? I didn't. Nuna, you request for this one, my love? This is for your nails. I want you to enjoying it. So I am checking every single edges. You might see that. Here's some information. And I am going to using a twin tip brush. I really like this one. This, that's what, you know, I would have to be honest. That's why a lot of you asking, I want to see you do your nails, because this is my really a therapy time. And be honest, thank you so much for let me sharing with you, because this is my really therapy times, and I'm busy all the times and do a lot of works. I'm all over places. So this is my really therapy time that I get to sit down, really get myself into it. So that's why when you're asking like, I want to see your nails, you doing your nails, like you see how long that take me, not because of if with the clients, I would get them down on whatever they would like. They would tell me, I would ask them, consultant, like what color you don't like and what color of the crystal you don't like, what type of crystal you don't like, you want 3D or like I asking the one they don't like because then I can narrow it down which one they like. So, but when I do my nails, I usually come up with something different. I never done it before, so that's why it takes a little bit longer. And then thank you so much for joining with me. It's a long session for us, but we'll learn so much, and you got to see